very good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
First of all, I would like to thank to Global Spoken English for giving me a chance to enhance my communication skill. I am Hassan Sheikh. I hail from Ghosi. My father's name is Nisar Ahmed. I am a student of graduation first year and I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. And today I am going to deliver a speech on time. Before starting my topic, I want to speak some beautiful lines in Hindi. जो हो गया उसे सोचा नहीं करते, जो मिल गया उसे खोया नहीं करते. जो हो गया उसे सोचा नहीं करते, जो मिल गया उसे खोया नहीं करते. सफलता भी उन्हें हासिल होती है, सफलता भी उन्हें हासिल होती है जो वक्त और हालात पर रोया नहीं करते. I'm going to start my topic. My topic name is time is money. It is clear by now that time is more valuable than money. Millions of people believe in this and it remains a fact. It is because once you lose time, you will never get it back. Not even a second of it. Time can be used to make money, but money cannot be used to make more time. All the money in the world doesn't matter if you don't have enough time. Time is something we get, we have all to use it just like money. Time is priceless and precious, so never waste your time. I want to speak some beautiful lines in Hindi. वक्त बीत जाए तो लोग भुला देते हैं, वक्त बीत जाए तो लोग भुला देते हैं, बेवजह लोग अपनों को भी रुला देते हैं. जो दिया रात भर रोशनी देता है, जो दिया रात भर रोशनी देता है, सुबह होते ही लोग उसे भी बुझा देते हैं. I conclude my speech, thanking you all for listening to me patiently. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Keep smiling.